Hey guys, so I wanted to make this video about the G63 AMG. This is the 2001 model. This thing's awesome. What the issue is, this is actually 20,000 mile G-wagan. And the complaint is when the vehicle is being driven, there's a noise coming from there. I'm going to tell you guys how we fix that noise. I mean, the car is built pretty nice. It's got a really nice two-tone seat design. Love it. And what's nice is it just looks perfect with this paint. I think it's called matte titanium or something like that. It's a Zeno color. But anyways, what happens is when you get in here, let me just demonstrate it. And you have some noise as you're driving in the cabin. There's creaking sounds. And you're wondering, why is this car creaking? It's $200,000 and I'm hearing sounds. Now everything else is made very solid, which I actually give a lot of credit to G63s. They're made very solid, not like the GLs like that one right there. Total turd. But the G63 obviously pay to play. The car's made right. So we do work on these G's once in a while, and most of these customers, some of these customers they own supercars and Porsches as well, so obviously they're going to have a G-wagon. But this customer in particular is actually related to me, so I have to make sure his car is perfect. And he's complained that there's a creaking sound in this area. So the way we solve this is there's actually this molding that clips in into metal clipping that's designed to hold this in place. And if you notice, there's no popping on this section, but on a lot of them, they start to creak. And there's a felt that we install inside this plastic panel, and that felt prevents it from creaking after it's installed. Now, if you don't install the felt, you'll hear, let me see if I can replicate it. Let me go on the other side. This is the sound that you'll hear. Yeah, unfortunately, some little stuff like this you have to once in a while do on these G's, but it's nothing crazy. Let me show you. It's I don't know if you can hear that. It's kind of hard to hear, but let me see if you can hear it. Oh yeah, right here. That like creaking plastic just sounds like crap. So that's the problem. They basically creak. It gets really annoying as you're driving, and we have to remove this panel and we can fix it. We have this special felt stuff that we use, and it works every time. It's perfect. Customers are then happy. They wonder how we fix it. We also put felt on the frame as well. I don't know if you can hear it. You can hear. That's the sound I'm talking about. That little plasticky. Yeah, right there. That plasticky popping, cracking. Normally you can really tell in the wintertime. So that is the solution. If you want your G not to creak, bring it here, we'll solve it. It won't creak anymore. Now the back does not have such a problem. You know, even though you can hear it, they really do not have a problem. Also, we make these real tight. We make these much tighter than they are from the factory, because when we use felt, they're not going to do this. Yeah, but that popping sound, that crunch, that's the sound I'm talking about. It's really annoying. So that's pretty much what the problem is on your G if you're having issues with it creaking. Man, I love the sound of the doors. Can't beat that sound. The best part about the G is the sound. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Just wanted to demonstrate the noise that everybody's once in a while talking about on the forums. There it is. I finally made a video about it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.